हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं स्ट्रक्चर्स ऑफ ऑटोनोमस नर्वस सिस्टम. इन द ऑटोनोमस नर्वस सिस्टम देयर आर द फोर पार्ट्स. फ्रॉम दैट वी डिस्कस द स्ट्रक्चर. द फर्स्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ द ऑटोनोमस नर्वस सिस्टम इज द adrenergic drug. In the adrenergic drug, our first structure is the adrenaline. Specifically, adrenergic drug having the catechol nucleus and non-catechol derivative. First, we see the catechol nucleus derivative. In that, there are the three structures: adrenaline and isoprenaline and noradrenaline. From that, first structure is the adrenaline. So, what is the catechol nucleus? In the catechol nucleus, there is a 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. So the catechol nucleus is this. In that, there is a 6-member ring having 3 and 4 position 2 hydroxy group. In the ANS, their parent nucleus are two types. First is the ethanol and second is the phenyl. But each and every structure not containing the phenol. So in the all autonomous nervous system structure or a ANS structure, we conclude that the alcohol is a parent nucleus. So in this structure also, alcohol is a parent nucleus. So which alcohol? So we check the carbon containing ring. So there is a first carbon and second carbon. First, why we decide this carbon is a first? Because in this carbon the hydroxy group is attached. So we decide or we conclude that this is a first carbon and then will be a second. So 2 carbon with a hydroxy group, the parent ring will be a ethanol. So in the adrenaline, the ethanol is a parent nucleus. So what is the other substitution? On the first ring, on the first carbon, there is a largest carbon 6-membered ring and there is a 2 hydroxy. So we again number the phenyl ring as a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. The structure become a on the first carbon. If we conclude as a first, then it is also nominated as a capital N. So what is the substitution on the N? In the bracket 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. In that we can also write the 3 dash 4 dash 3 dash 4 dash dihydroxyphenyl also. So but in any text, official books or in the text, there is only 3 or 4. For our understanding, we give the separate numbering as a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash and 5 dash, such as. So we write also N bracket 3,4 dihydroxy. Next is the 6-membered ring, that is the phenyl. So bracket complete. This is the all substitution present on the first carbon. Now on the second carbon, what is the attachment of the second carbon? That is the methyl and amino. So first write with the methyl. So 2 methyl and amino. This is the attachment or the substitution present on the second carbon. So we write here 2 methyl amino and the last is the parent nucleus, that is the ethanol. This is our first structure. Then we go for the second structure. Second structure is the isoprenaline. Adrenaline and isoprenaline both are from the catechol nucleus. So there is a common in the structure. What is the common in the structure? The catechol nucleus. And the catechol nucleus is again on a 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl is the catechol nucleus, which is the common in adrenaline and isoprenaline. Again here the ethanol is a parent nucleus. So we number it first carbon, that is the attachment of the hydroxy or a functional group, and this is the second carbon. This is our parent structure. So what is the substitution on the first and second? On the first, again there is a catechol nucleus, so we write again similar as like a N bracket 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. So how the 3,4 dihydroxy? If we number it again on the phenyl, there is a 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash and 6 dash. So again it will be a on the N there is a 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl. And what is the substitution on the second? On the second here, first is the NH, and then it will be a 3 carbon. If we number it that 1, 2 and 3, so there is a second attachment on the amino, so it will be a iso, and there is a 3 carbon, so it is propyl. So we called as a isopropyl. So we say on the second position of the ethanol there is a 2 isopropyl amino. So we write here 2 isopropyl amino. And the last is the parent nucleus. This is the parent nucleus. The parent nucleus is the 2 carbon and OH, that is the ethanol. So again the isoprenaline is from the adrenergic category, and the chemical name is N,3,4-dihydroxyphenyl, 2 isopropyl amino and ethanol. From the first, in the adrenaline there is only 2 methyl amino, and in the second isoprenaline is the 2 isopropyl amino. That is only difference between the adrenaline and isoprenaline. So okay, understand. Next structure, we go for the next structure. Next structure is the ephedrine. Ephedrine is the non-catechol nucleus. Ephedrine is non-catechol nucleus, so there is not any 3,4 dihydroxyphenyl, only phenyl group is there. So there is a bond between this. The bond will be a compile with the square or the bracket. So there is a phenyl ring. Okay, so phenyl ring is there, and again there is a alcohol group is there. So the parent nucleus is again alcohol. So which alcohol? We number it that. We number it the first. Here the bond angle is having a carbon first, then second, and this carbon is the third. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 carbon and OH, it is the propanol. Then what is the attachment? There is attachment on the first, that is the phenyl ring, and on the second, that is the methyl and amino. So we write here again first, there is a first number we can nominate as N also, so N phenyl, and on the second, that is the methyl amino, and the last is the parent nucleus. The parent nucleus is this, that is the propanol. This ephedrine drug is again categorized into the adrenergic drug, but it is a non-catechol nucleus. Yes, clearly mention it that the ephedrine is a non-catechol nucleus. Okay, we go for the next structure, that is a propanol. Propanol, it is an adrenergic antagonist. First we see the adrenergic drug, in that we see the 3 structure, but next structure is the adrenergic antagonist, in that we see the propanol. In the propanol, what is the parent nucleus? Again, in the propanol there is alcohol is a parent nucleus. So number it that. We number it that. First is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the hydroxy group is attached at the second carbon, so it is called as the 2-propanol or propane-2-ol, because the hydroxy group attached at the second carbon. Then what is the attachment on the first substitution and third substitution? There on the first substitution there is the naphthaloxy ring, or the naphthaloxy ring, oxygen is attached on the first carbon of the naphthalene ball or naphthalene ring. So we called as a N-naphthaloxy. So we write here N-naphthaloxy. And on the third position it will be very easy, that is the amino, and again 3 carbon. On the 3 carbon there is attachment on the second carbon. So we again it is called as the isopropyl. So the attachment will be a 3 isopropyl amino. And last is the propane-2-ol, or 2 stand for the attachment of the second hydroxy at a second position. So the chemical name will be a N-1-naphthaloxy, 3 isopropyl, and the last is the propanol, the propane-2-ol or a 2-propanol. Okay, we see the next structure. Next structure is the neostigmine. Neostigmine is the cholinergic drug. Yes, neostigmine is a cholinergic drug. In the neostigmine, there is not any alcohol moiety present here. Here, the parent nucleus is the anilium. Anilium in that cover the 6-membered ring and the nitrogen. Here, the nitrogen is on an excitation stage, because the nitrogen having the 3 valency, but it having a 4 valency, so it will be having a positive charge. So it is a excitation base. There are the so many examples of NH4 जैसे NH4 ammonia gas, it is also on a excitation stage. So there will be some of the excitation molecule or the forcefully attached molecules are there on the nitrogen valency. So the anilium is the parent nucleus. Then what is the substitution? So we number it that first. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on the first position there is a 3 methyl, 1, 2, 3 methyl. So we write here N comma N comma and trimethyl. Then on the third position, what is the substitution on the third position? First is the oxygen. Okay. Then again it is having a carbon, and on the nitrogen there is a 2 carbon. Okay. The 2 carbon is there is a dimethyl group CH3 and CH3. Okay, because the hydrocarbon will be fulfill its valency, one valency attached to the nitrogen and remaining is the 3 which is substituted by the methyl hydrogen, sorry. So the structure becomes CH3 and CH3. So it will be a dimethyl amino. Okay, this part is the dimethyl amino. Okay, then what about this C double bond O and O? It will be a carbomoyl group, carbonyl group, or the carboxylic acid group C double bond O, and again extra oxygen. So the nitrogen is attached on the C double bond O and O. So nitrogen and C double bond O is the carbamoyl, and extra oxygen is there, that is the carbamoyl oxy. I will repeat it. Here first carbon and double bond O and nitrogen, it form a carbamoyl group, and extra oxygen it will be a oxy. The structure become a carbamoyl oxy. So this complete structure is the carbamoyl oxy. And what about the 2 methyl? The 2 methyl is the dimethyl. The structure become a 3 dimethyl carbamoyl oxy, or last is the parent nucleus, that is the anilium. Okay. Next structure is the physostigmine. In the physostigmine there is the 2 ring will be attached. So what are these 2 rings? The first ring is the indole. Here in the 6-membered ring, here we write the I, and one is the 5-membered ring. Here is the indole, and second ring is the pyrrole. I write here the P. So these of the 2 ring will be fused together, and there is a formation of the parent nucleus. So we write here also the pyrrole dash 2 dash 3 dash minus B and indole. So what is the 2 and 3? So first we number it. Okay, so we number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, then on the pyrrole ring we number it on the site also. So A, B, C. So this side 3 and 2. So B side. So here is the minus B side. Here this side for the attachment of the indole and pyrrole, that is the minus B side. So we write it here the 2, 3 minus B. Then we see the various hydrogen will be separated on this structure. So what are these hydrogen, or why? Because in the indole and pyrrole there will be 2 bonds. The bond present between here also, here one double bond, and here also one double bond. If these of the 2 double bond will be a break, then will be a separation of the hydrogen molecules, and that hydrogen molecules we mention in a chemical name. So how many hydrogen? On the first carbon there is a 1 hydrogen first. Okay, then on the second also, then on the third also, then on the 3A, this is the position 3A also, then on the 8th position 1 of the hydrogen, and on the again is the 8A, this is the 8A position A. Okay, so there are the so many hydrogen molecules. So I write here 1, 2, 3, 3A, 8, 8A hexahydroxy. Then on the replacement of the hydrogen there is the substitution of the carbon or the methyl. Those carbon valency will be fulfilled by the hydrogen, so it will be become a CH3. So on the first, third A, and 8th position there is a methyl. So we write here that the 3 1 comma 3a comma 8 trimethyl. Then we go for the fifth number substitution. On the fifth number again it will be a similar as like a neostigmine. Here is the carbon and again here is the 1 methyl group. Okay, so we write out of on the 5 position there is a methyl, so we write in a bracket 5 methyl. Then what about the next? Carbon and NH and oxygen. That complete group is carbamoyloxy. So carbon and nitrogen is the carbamoyl group and extra oxygen is there, that is the oxy. So the chemical the substitution present on the fifth number is methyl and that complete structure is the carbamoyloxy. The last is the parent nucleus, that is the first is the pyrrole ring, that is already told in the starting, and next is the indole and the attachment site will be a 2 comma 3 minus B. If you not understand this structure, then you go for the my playlist in the ANS on the cholinergic drug. There is a complete explanation of this structure in a detail on a blackboard. So we see this video also. Okay. So we go for the next structure, and the last structure is the atropine, or which is from the cholinergic antagonist. In the cholinergic antagonist, there is a two major derivatives, that is the tropate and tropic acid, which will be attached fused together on the 1R, 3R and 5S. So there is an attachment, or this is the stereochemistry numbering, that is the R and S, that is levorotatory and dextrorotatory positions of the structure. This tropate structure will be shown in a chair form. Okay, and that is the chemical name for the atropine. So students, in this video we see the various important structure which ask repetitively in the MSBT diploma in chemistry second year. So these all structure are very important. These also ask for the MCQs for the various chemicals name and for identify the structure. Okay student, thank you.